Hi everyone, welcome to Bomb Professor. I am Sangeet Surendran. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Today we are going to discuss a part of the Unit 3 pour Compter from the textbook Mon Passeport pour le Monde A. So there are three learning objectives in this lesson. First one is to learn about the numbers, then French alphabet and usage of combien de. So we will be discussing about combien de in this video. Here this is a conversation between two friends, Pierre and Marc. I will be reading the dialogues, so I want you to listen carefully how the words are pronounced in French. Okay? Let's begin. Pierre, combien de livres as-tu? Combien de livres as-tu? Marc, j'ai 4 livres. J'ai 4 livres. Pierre, j'ai 3 livres. J'ai 3 livres. You have to clearly listen the pronunciation of trois because it is little bit confusing. It is not the perfect pronunciation, but still we can try to the near perfection. Like obviously we won't sound like native French, but still we will try to improve our accent or pronunciation gradually. Okay, so let me read the dialogues once again. Combien de livres as-tu? J'ai 4 livres. J'ai 3 livres. Let us get into the meaning of this conversation. Okay, combien de means how many. How many in English we use how many to ask about numbers, about the numbers of something, right? For example, how many pencils do you have? How many pens do you have? How many cars do you have? Like that, and the reply comes like I have 4 pens or 4 pencils. It will be in numbers. Similarly, in French also, combien de is the word used for how many. Combien de livres as-tu? How many books do you have? Livre means books. The meaning of livre is not given here, I guess. Yeah, it is given here. Livre means books. Combien de livres as-tu? As-tu means do you have. Do you have as-tu? So by combining these words, we will get how many books do you have. Pierre is asking to Marc, how many books do you have? Combien de livres as-tu? So Marc responds, j'ai 4 livres. J'ai 4 livres. I have, j'ai means I have. I have 4. 4 means 4. 4 leaves. I have 4 books. Marc is saying. Pierre, j'ai 3 livres. J'ai 3 livres. I have 3 books. 3 means 3. I have 3 books. Next conversation, it is between Philippe and Louis. Philippe, combien de crayons as-tu? J'ai 3 crayons. Philippe, j'ai 1 crayon. Combien de crayons as-tu? J'ai 3 crayons. J'ai 1 crayon. Philip is asking, how many pencils do you have? Crayon means pencils. As-tu, we have discussed already, do you have? So, how many pencils do you have? Louis replies, j'ai 3 crayons. J'ai means I have. I have 3 pencils. Philippe, j'ai 1 crayon. J'ai 1 crayon. 1 means 1. I have 1 pencil. You might have noticed there is no S here and there is an S here. And I guess you might have guessed also, because trois crayon, 3 pencils. Since it is plural, we are having an S here. And un crayon, it is singular, so we don't have an S here. Okay. Let us look into this conversation. It is between Madame Lopez and Madame Blanc. Here MME stands for Mrs. in English. Here we read it as Madame Lopez. Madame Lopez. Combien d'élèves as-tu? Combien d'élèves as-tu? Here you might have noticed an apostrophe here. Instead of combien de, as that in previous slides, here we can see instead of an E, there is an apostrophe. This is because in French, whenever a word is ending with a vowel, in the case of the, and word next to it also starts with a vowel, as in this case, here originally it was like this, the élève. Since two vowels are meeting together, instead of the vowel of the first word, that is E, we use an apostrophe. That's why it is the élève. It was originally the élève. Combien de élèves? How many students? Élève means students or pupils. How many pupils? Okay. That's why we are having an apostrophe here. Combien d'élèves as-tu? How many pupils? As-tu means do you have? How many pupils do you have? Madame Blanc. J'ai 4 élèves. J'ai 4 élèves. I have 4 pupils. 4 means 4. Madame Lopez. J'ai 5 élèves. I have 5 pupils. We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Madame Lopez is standing here. I have 5 pupils. Here it is Madame Blanc with 4 pupils. I hope you have understood the usage of combien de, that is how many in French. So in order to make your learning stronger, as I say in all my videos, try to use these words, these new learned words in our daily life. You can ask these questions among your friends. How many? Combien de crayons as-tu? How many pencils do you have? See, like that you have to use the newly learned words in your daily life, okay, so that our learning will be strong and we can remember it easily. We won't be forgetting these newly learned words. Otherwise we will learn the words today and tomorrow we will be forgetting them. Okay, so try to use these words in your class or among your friends. So by this we are finishing our session on combien de, that is how many. Okay, I will be seeing you in next video with another topic. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt. Goodbye and see you soon.